Meanwhile, tight security measures will be implemented during the procession or translacion of the Black Nazarene in Manila this coming Saturday, January 9th. Some 5,000 policemen are tasked to secure the annual religious celebration. Manila Police District spokesperson Superintendent Marisa Bruno said the security measures include a tight watch on devotees wearing hats or caps and carrying backpacks. She advised devotees to bring instead transparent bags. Authorities expect the number of devotees to reach up to 8 million.
Tayo po ay magkasagawa ng ganitong siguro pagtatanong partikular nga ito sa mga bag na ito ay hindi po kita ang laman at yun naman pong nakasombrero ay hanggat maaari po ay siguro nahandun po ang ating pagmatsyag sa mga kababayan po natin. Kung pagbabasihan natin ng 2 taong nakaraan, last year we had yung 8 million, no? Ito pang estimate at last year 2014 we had 10 million. Siguro kung i-consider po natin ang pagdating ng okasyon ito sa araw ng Sabado ay maaring mag-expect tayo ng may mataas na bilang. Pwedeng mahigit po sa nakaraang taon na 8 milyon at ito po yung patuloy na pinaghahandaan ng ating Manila.